Hello boys, welcome to Mechanical Lab. This is our first session of 8th standard in which we are going to cover what type of syllabus we have. Here you can have a loft and sweep command which we have learned in the 7th standard, but here are the different types we are going to learn. Here again pipe joints and types of pulleys. This topic you are going to learn here in detail. Different type of pulleys, cast iron pulley, wrought iron pulley, way-belt pulley, types of pulleys and type of belts and different type of joints. Here main topic will be gear topic, in which we are going to cover the nomenclature of gear, how to design the gear, spur gear, helical gear, bevel gear, rack and pinion. All this type of gear we are going to learn in this year. So this will be very important session of the gear. Here you can have a bill of material. Bill of material means whenever we make a simple assembly, so each and every part have a specific material and number of quantities or number of parts that we mention in the form of table. So that is known as the BOM or bill of material. And along with that we have a title block in which company name, job name, part name is mentioned. Here we again repeating the IC engine. So in IC engine we are going to cover eccentric and stuffing box in this year. So eccentric and stuffing box is a very important part in IC engine that will be covered in detail. Here you can see the 3D printer, but in this year we are going to increase the difficulty level of the parts. So here we are going to make a different type of drawer or showcase like structure. Again we will take a help of the animation session or animation lab. So we will import that 3D printer. Here again IC engine parts will be repeat. So here you can have a connecting rod, piston connection and parts of connecting rod, detailed parts of connecting rod. Big end and small end is there. To the small end there is the piston connection and to the big end there is the crank connection. So that will be covered in detail. Here you can see the types of bearing. It is very important topic mechanical point of view. So initially we will cover the frictional bearing and then we will cover the anti-frictional bearing. In frictional bearing there is a plumber block, footstep bearing, but in anti-frictional bearing, ball bearing, roller bearing, needle bearing and types of bearing we are going to cover. Here is another important parts of jigs and fixture. We make different parts in mechanical, so that to lock that part or to locate that part we have to make different type of attachment. That attachment will be covered in jigs and fixture topic. It is very important topic, so we will cover that. Here is a new session for you, 3D pen use. So again here we are going to take a help of our animation lab, where we will have a 3D pen and we will try to make 3D parts with the help of 3D pen. So this is new example or new session for you. Here is the GDT. GDT means geometrical tolerances dimensioning. In previous year we learned about the tolerance fit limit, but this is the deep parts of that tolerance fit limit or extended part you may say. Here we are going to learn geometrical symbols related to the tolerance fit limits or different symbols. Here is another main session, another important session of cams and follower, which is used in automation. For for the lifting of wall or movement of wall, you can have a this type of arrangement. Movement automation, cams and followers are very important parts. Here we are going to learn and design the different type of cams and follower. Here is the zoom command, detailed study of that zoom command, and OSNAP command, object snap command. Object snap command is that is end point, midpoint, center point, which you already learned, but along with that different commands are there that we are going to cover in this year. It is also known as the heart of AutoCAD. Here is the shell command and slice command. Using this command you can have a hollow job, 3D model you can convert into hollow and take a slice according to 3 point or according to plane. Whichever plane you select, according to that slice can be make up the 3D parts. So you will have a section there. Here your important session and is the aero modeling session. In first aero modeling session we are going to cover the cockpit panel and its buttons, how it is used and how its function. So this will be your first modeling section, and in next air modeling section you will have a different type of plane and how they work and what is the difference between that will be covered in this session. So this will be your syllabus of 8th standard. I thought you are eager to learn much more. So we will be meeting next session. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.